Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Coders Cluster. And today in this video, I am going to show you how to create dummy variables, and I'm going to tell you what is the need to create dummy variables and what are all the steps there to create a dummy variables. To create dummy variables, first of all, we need to import pandas library as usual. So I'm importing pandas first, pandas as pd. Okay, now I have imported the pandas library. I do have the dataset which is in this folder, and I'm going to copy this directory and I'm going to create a data frame and I'm naming it as df equal to pd dot read underscore csv of, within double quotes or single quotes we need to mention the location along with the file name. Now I have the dataset in df, so my dataset will look like this is how our data set will look like. We do have region column, area column, which is in kilometers squared, and the national share column, which is a budget share for each and every region in India. So this is our data set looks like, and we do have certain categories in our region column like northern, central, western, and southern, and northeastern. Like this, we have categories in our region column. So we need to create dummy variables before proceeding further with this data set. The reason we need to create a dummy variable is we cannot work with text data in our machine learning algorithms. So we need to create an integer variable. So for that particular reason only we are creating a dummy variable for this. And to create dummy variables we can use a pandas library, and there is a function in pandas libraries which is get dummies. So I'm using this get dummies of function. Within this function I'm mentioning data frames region. Now I have created dummy variable for each and every category for this region column. So I'm saving it as dummies. Okay, now we have our dummy variables which is in dummies. Now I'm going to concat this dummy variables with our previous data frame which is df. So for that I'm creating a new data set merge underscore df, and I'm concatenating with the help of pandas library. So I'm calling pd, and there is a function which is concat of, and I'm giving df and dummies as input into this. We need to mention axis equal to columns. Here I'm giving you simple tip for you guys. We can mention column as well. We can mention one. If you mention one, that also means same like column. So now I have created merged underscore df, and we will see what is there in merge df. Okay, we have region, area, national share, and each and every categories in our region column has been created as a separate dummy variables here in this data set. So this is the way we need to create a data set, and you need to take care of one thing which is a dummy variable trap, which means whenever you derive a new variable from rest of the variable in our data frame, that will end up in a situation called multi-collinearity in our data frame, which leads to dummy variable trap. You just google it guys, you just google it like dummy variable trap. You can get a clear idea about the dummy variable trap and multi-collinearity in our data frame. When you use machine learning algorithms in that multi-collinearity data frame, it will end up in a wrong calculation, and it will end up in a lesser score for our model, and our total model will become wrong sometimes. So we need to take care of dummy variable trap. For that there is a technique which is, whenever you create a dummy variable, you need to omit one column of that dummy variables. So we have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 dummy variables from this region column. So I'm going to drop any one of the column. You need to drop any one of the column from these 6 columns. So I'm dropping merge, I'm dropping this western column. Along with that, we can drop this region also because we have created dummy variable for this region column. So we can drop this region column. So for that, I am dropping df dot drop off. We need to mention region, and along with that, I'm dropping western. You can drop any one of these dummy variable, any one is fine. So I'm dropping western column, and you can drop anything you want. And I'm mentioning axis equals 1. So now we have dropped western column and region column from our data frame, and I'm saving it as new df. Okay, now we have created a new data frame with the dummy variables. Hereafter, we can work with any machine learning algorithms in this data set. It will give a good prediction result. It will give a good score for your data set. And that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you all again in a new concept in our Coders cluster. Thank you so much. Bye bye.